beautiful countryside of Thailand, where each jackfruit is more than just a fruit. It's a testament to the patience and love for the land held by the people here. Today, we'll follow Thai farmers on their journey from tiny seeds to harvesting these giant jackfruits. This is a story of dedication, tradition, and pride, passed down through generations. In Thailand, every jackfruit carries the sweet taste and the story of meticulous care. Join us as we begin the journey to discover the process of growing, nurturing, and harvesting this unique fruit. It all starts with a seed, carrying not just potential, but a legacy. These seeds, chosen from the juiciest and healthiest jackfruits of the previous harvest, hold the promise of another bountiful season. In the skilled hands of these farmers, each seed is nurtured with care, ensuring the continuation of a tradition passed down through generations. These seeds are lovingly nurtured, placed into hand-prepared soil beds where they receive just the right amount of sunlight, water, and attention. As they sprout into delicate seedlings, their journey towards becoming the sweet giants of the field truly begins. Under the watchful eyes of the farmers, these seedlings grow strong and resilient. Once ready, they are transplanted into the fields, where their growth will continue until they are ready to bear fruit. Planting a jackfruit tree is a labor of love, rooted in tradition. Each seedling is placed in the ground with precision, ensuring it has enough space to grow and thrive. With patience, the farmers work tirelessly, using techniques refined over generations. The base of the trees is an essential part of the care process. The farmers meticulously remove each weed, keeping the soil around the trees clean and well ventilated, allowing the trees to absorb all the nutrients they need to grow strong. This time-consuming and labor-intensive work is crucial to ensuring the jackfruit trees don't have to compete with weeds for nutrients. With such careful attention, the jackfruit trees grow stronger each day, preparing for a bountiful harvest. From watering and fertilizing to weeding, every step contributes to nurturing the sweet jackfruit that will soon reach everyone's hands. After years of care, the trees finally bear their bounty. The jackfruits grow to impressive sizes, sometimes reaching up to 90 centimeters in length and weighing as much as 30 kilograms. But the real art lies in knowing when they are ready. The farmers listen for that perfect hollow sound as they tap the rind, signaling that the fruit is at its peak. Harvesting jackfruit is a delicate art that requires both precision and experience, honed over many seasons. The process starts early in the morning when the air is cool and the light is just right. With a skilled hand, the farmer uses a sharp knife to make a clean, careful cut at the stem. Precision is key to avoid damaging the fruit or the tree. Once cut, the jackfruit is gently lowered or caught by another farmer, ensuring it doesn't bruise upon landing. months of hard work. The jackfruits are then loaded onto carts, ready for their journey to the market or processing facilities. Each fruit is a testament to the farmer's dedication and skill, a moment of pride and fulfillment. Once harvested, these jackfruits make their way to the heart of Thailand's vibrant street markets. Here, the fruit is transformed into a popular street food, where vendors skillfully slice and package the sweet golden flesh. The aroma of ripe jackfruit fills the air, drawing locals and tourists alike to experience the taste of Thailand. Street food is where the true essence of jackfruit is appreciated. Sold fresh, this fruit is a favorite snack, known for its unique sweetness and satisfying texture. It's a simple pleasure that connects the people of Thailand to their land and traditions. Thai jackfruit has long been a favorite fresh fruit, loved by both locals and tourists for its sweet, aromatic flavor. However, to extend its shelf life and create a delicious snack, jackfruit undergoes a modern processing method in factories. Here, carefully selected ripe jackfruits are sliced and then dried with precision. The drying process preserves the unique flavor of the jackfruit, transforming it into a convenient and nutritious treat that is enjoyed worldwide.